Hello, my champions, and welcome back to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Today, we are solving a question from the International Chemistry Olympiad, where chemistry stops being chapter wise and starts behaving like a Netflix thriller. So, in the school examinations, they ask about the direct formulas, but in Olympiads, they take the seawater, add the thermodynamics, add the colligative properties, throw in the vapor pressure, and then attack your confidence. But today we will attack back. So today we are solving a problem about the seawater, boiling point elevation, pressure effects, and the vaporization. Okay, and secretly this problem combines the physical chemistry, thermodynamics, and the solutions. Okay, so just read the question first. Question is, the boiling point of seawater is higher than pure water. The boiling point elevation constant Kb, this is 0.5120 kg mole inverse. Okay. Then question number 5.1, that is calculate the boiling point in T, that is in degree Celsius of Dubai seawater at atmospheric pressure. If you could not calculate the answer, use a temperature of 373.50 K for the further calculations. Okay. Question number 5.2 is calculate the percentage mass of the NaCl. WNaCl in water that has a boiling point Tb equal to 378.00 K. Okay. Question number 5.3. The boiling point of the seawater also increases as pressure increases. Calculate the boiling point T in degrees Celsius of the initial Dubai seawater at a pressure P equal to 2.50 atm. The latent heat of the vaporization of water evap, that is 2260 kilojoule kg inverse. That is 40.716 kilojoule per mole. Okay, and assume this is the same for the seawater. Okay, so in the plant, flash chamber of volume V equal to 100 liter contains a mass of 1.00 kg of seawater at T1 equal to 90 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we will discuss this question. Now, this is a very nice question, I must say. So, first, understand the situation and the given data. The question gives the boiling point elevation constant, Kb. Kb is what? 0.5120 kg mole inverse. And then three parts. 5.1, calculate boiling point of Dubai seawater. 5.2 question number, this is finding the mass percentage of NaCl, and question number 5.3, find boiling point at the higher pressure. Right? Now, seawater is basically nature's electrolyte solution. Okay, ocean water contains the NaCl, MgCl2, CaSO4, okay, and probably the plastic bottles also. And because the salt particles are present, water molecules say like bro, escaping into vapor is difficult today. So boiling point increases. Now come to question number 5.1. Boiling point of Dubai sea water. Now the formula for the boiling point elevation is what? Del TB. This is I kbm, right? Where I is the Van 't Hoff factor, kb, kb is the volumetric constant, and m is the molality. Okay, so del TB is I into kb into m. This is a very important formula. Okay. Now, why does boiling point increase? Can you tell me that? Because dissolved salt lowers the vapor pressure. So now water needs more temperature to boil. Okay. And boiling occurs when we can say P of vapor, this is P external. So salt says like not so easy, my friend. So the question does not clearly show the molality value. The question itself says if like you could not calculate the answer, use 373.50 K for the further calculation. That means the expected answer of part 5.1 is TB. This is 373.50. Okay, and convert it to Celsius. So we get 373.50 minus 273.15. So this will be basically 53.001. Yes, 100.35 degrees Celsius. Okay. So what is the final answer for question number 5.1? That is 100.35 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now pure water boils at what? 100 degrees Celsius. We all know that. And the Dubai sea water boils at 100.35 degrees Celsius. So tiny increase. But chemistry says like I notice everything. Now come to question number 5.2. Percentage mass of the NaCl. Now this is the fun detective section, you can say. We know that del TB is 373.50 minus 373.15. So this will be, yes, 0.35 K. Okay. Now for NaCl, I is near about 2 approximately. Okay. Because NaCl becomes Na plus Cl minus. Right. Now substitute the values. So 0.35 is equal to 2 into 0.5120 into m, plus m will be 0.35 by this is basically uh, 420.1. Yes, 2 into this is basically 1.024. So m will be 0.35 by 1.024, and this is near about uh, 0.342. Okay, 0.342 mole kg inverse. Okay, now what does that molality mean? Do you know that? Molality means the moles of solute per kilogram solvent. So 0.342 mole NaCl is present in 1 kg water, right? Now find the mass of the NaCl. Molar mass of NaCl, this is 58.5 gram per mole. Thus, 0.342 into 58.5. So this is basically, yes, 20 gram. So NaCl 20 grams and water 1000 grams. So total solution mass 120 gram, right? Now what is the mass percentage? WNaCl, this is 20 by 1020 into 100. So this is basically 1.96%. Okay. So what is the final answer for question number 5.2? 1.96%. Okay. So students now often forget the molality uses mass of solvent and molality uses the volume of the solution. And one student once used the liters here and chemistry left that chat immediately. So now come to question number 5.3. That is effect of pressure on the boiling point, right? Now the Olympiad becomes dangerous here. Pressure increases from 1 atm to 2.50 atm, right? And we must calculate the new boiling point, and this uses the Celsius. Now we have an important equation. Natural log of P2 by P1. This is equal to del HVAP by R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by. This is a very important formula. So basically this question tells us if pressure increases, boiling point also increases. Why? Because the liquid molecules now need the extra energy to escape. Now given P1 is 1 atm, P2 is 2.50 atm, T1 is 373.50 K, del HVAP, this is 40.716 kilojoule per mole. And convert this to joule per mole. So this will be 40716 joule per mole, right? And the gas constant R, this is 8.314. Now substitute. So we get natural log of 2.5. This is 40716 by 8.314 into 1 by 373.50 minus 1 by T2. Now calculate. Natural log 2.5 is approximately 0.916. Okay. And 40716 by 8.314. This is near about uh, 487997. 4897. And thus 0.916 is equal to 4897 into 1 by 373.50 minus 1 by T2, right? Now divide 0.916 by 4897. What is the approximate value of this? Calculate. This is basically 1.87 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. So 1 by T2 is equal to 1 by 373.50 minus 1.87 into 10 to the power minus 4. And 1 by 373.50. This is near about 0.002677. Okay. Thus, we can say 1 by T2 is 0.002490. Okay. And T2 is near about 401.6. Okay. Now convert it to Celsius. So we get 401.6 minus 273.15. So this is 128.5 degrees Celsius. All right. So the final answer for the question 5.3, this is 128.5 degrees Celsius. So at 2.5 atm, the water boils at 128.5 degrees Celsius. And that's why the pressure cookers cook food faster. Okay. So your mother is basically using the thermodynamics daily. So this single question mixes the colligative properties, the Van 't Hoff factor, polarity, thermodynamics, and the real life desalination. Okay, so this is what the Olympiad chemistry looks like. So this was all about I have to say for this question. I hope this solution is clear to you. So we will meet at the next session with a new question of the International Chemistry Olympiad. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Bye bye guys. See you in the next session.